You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know the spelling makes it confusing, and there are different pronunciations that are correct or used, at least. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Deified, that's probably the most common pronunciation and the British English pronunciation used in the UK. Day, like a day, fied, deified. Alright, stress on the first syllable, the day syllable. Now the Americans sometimes also say it as deify. Alright, deify. Deify is the verb, therefore the participle. Deified, deified. So deified or deified. Two correct pronunciations, and now you know how to pronounce it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.